Imagine trading a 200k account and keeping up to 90% of the profit made from it without risking a dime of your own money. Sounds crazy, right? It is real. Most traders grind for years trying to flip a $100 account, but you know what smart traders do? They trade a funded account. They get funded. Trading a proof firm account is more common with forex traders. A lot of us in the crypto space don't know about this, and that is where HyroTrader comes in. HyroTrader is a crypto trading proof firm platform that forces traders to trade, and you can get up to $200,000 to trade crypto futures and keep up to 90% of the profit made from that. That is what I've been doing for the past month. Instead of trying to flip that your $1,000 or to flip that your $100, that your $200, you can use this to get an account ranging from $5,000 up to $200,000 to trade crypto. And you know the best part? HyroTrader is integrated into Bybit. So when you are trading, you are not trading with an entire new interface. You are trading with Bybit platform that you already know how to use. So with all the pairs available, that is what you have access to. And there are no limits to the number of leverage, to the amount of leverage that you can use. So one thing I love about HyroTrader is their fast payout. Once you make up to $100, you can request for payout. It's as simple as that, and you get paid to your crypto wallet. Another good thing about HyroTrader is there are no limits to pass your evaluation phase. So there are two different levels of evaluation. There is one-step evaluation, which means you just do 10% and then you pass the evaluation, and then you go into the funded account. And then there are two-step evaluation, meaning there is phase 1 and then phase 2. So you do 10% in phase 1 and then 5% in phase 2, meaning you do a total of 15% in the two-step evaluation phase, and you get funded. So once you get funded, guys, you can trade on your Bybit or your Qiio platform. Those are the two platforms that HyroTrader is integrated with. I prefer Bybit, so you too can use Bybit. So once you trade on this platform and you make up to $100, you can request for withdrawal. I have personally traded on HyroTrader for a while, and I've made withdrawal time with that number, where you can see some of those videos on my YouTube channel. So I invite you today to join me and get a funded account. It will help you a lot. And what I'm doing for the community, for those of you who are entirely new to the funded or profile platform, I am ready to guide you and hold you by the hand to make sure that you actually pass the evaluation phase. So all you just need to do is to use the link in the video description to get a HyroTrader profile account, or you can use the code displayed on the screen to get a 5% discount when you're checking out. And if you do that, you can send me a message on Telegram and I will add you up to the list of others that we're trading this together with, so that we can be able to help you, guide you, and keep you in check. Because one of the common mistakes that a lot of people make that have them fail this account is their excuse is always, I forgot to use stop loss. And when you are trading a proof firm account, you must be a disciplined trader, which is why we are ready to guide you. So if you are ready, get an account today and then contact me, and we'll be able to help you to scale your account. If you trade with HyroTrader and you have made withdrawal consecutively for 4 months, HyroTrader will personally contact you to scale your account. So while the limit you can buy from their website right now is 200k, HyroTrader can actually help you to scale this even up to $1 million, depending on how good a trader you are. I'll see you on the inside. For now, use the link in the video description or the code on the screen and get an account for yourself.